quick video here. I'm going to install these winglets. Straightforward install. It's just going to be some double-sided sticky tape applied to hair, and that's it. Then I'll be sticking them up underneath the turn signal / fog lights, and it's going to give it a much more aggressive look. Now these are from M&P Concepts, and the first thing I'm going to do is use this piece of swab. It's got alcohol on it, and I'm going to clean underneath the light here so we get good adhesive. I'm going to do this side here, get it nice and clean under there. I've got the adhesive applied, and we're going to go ahead and put these on. Alright, well, here goes nothing. You know how 3M tape sticks. It's going to get on there, and it's going to be tough to get off if I don't get it right. And I'm doing this one-handed. Okay. Here we go. There she is. One down, one to go. What do you think? Without it? With it? With it? Without it? I like it both ways. I mean, Ford did a good job, but I think this gives it a little bit more muscle. Alright, driver's side going on. Here we go. It's pretty sturdy with that tape on. Alright, there she is. Oh yeah. It definitely looks a lot better. Without getting a whole new bumper kit for the front, it definitely gives it a more aggressive look. Very nice. Alright. Well, stay tuned, guys. We're going to do these badges. We're going to black them out, and maybe at the same time I'm going to black out the pony at the front. We got a tint kit coming for the lights. We're going to tint all of them, the entire kit. We'll tint that, and definitely we need the marker lights here tinted and the tail lights there, and it'll give it a nice blacked out look.